Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook lentil beans. First, let's get those lentils ready. Take about 1 cup of dry lentils and give them a good rinse under cold water. This helps wash away any dust or tiny bits of debris. While you're at it, quickly sort through them to spot any small stones or imperfect lentils. The good news is, unlike some other legumes, most lentils don't need to be soaked overnight, which makes them a fantastic quick cooking option for any meal. Now let's get cooking. For every 1 cup of rinsed lentils, you'll want to add about 3 cups of water or vegetable broth to a pot. Bring that mixture to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. If you're aiming for firmer lentils, perfect for a salad, cook them for about 15 to 20 minutes. For a softer, more stew-like consistency, let them simmer for 25 to 30 minutes. To make your lentils truly delicious, seasoning is key. You can add aromatics like a chopped onion, a couple of cloves of minced garlic, or even a bay leaf to the cooking water right from the start. Remember to add salt and pepper towards the end of the cooking time. Adding it too early can sometimes make the lentils a bit tough. Fresh or dried herbs like thyme, rosemary, or a pinch of cumin also work wonders. A little splash of vinegar or lemon juice at the very end can really brighten up the flavors. Your perfectly cooked lentils are now ready to enjoy. They are incredibly versatile. You can serve them as a nutritious side dish alongside roasted vegetables or your favorite grilled protein. They also make an excellent addition to soups, stews, and curries, adding both texture and a boost of plant-based protein. Get creative and use them as a base for delicious vegetarian burgers or as a flavorful filling for tacos and wraps. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.